Hey guys, I'm down in Canberra today for Floriade and I thought I'd check out the Mount Ainslie Lookout while I'm here. The Mount Ainslie Lookout is near the suburb of Ainslie, funnily enough, and is about a 10-minute drive from the city. From here, it offers a quintessential view over Canberra, including the War Memorial, Anzac Parade and Parliament House. We chose to drive up here today, but if you're feeling active, you could certainly ride up or take one of the few walking tracks that are around the place. It is quite steep though. When you're next in Canberra, I think the Mount Ainslie Lookout is definitely worth a visit. I'd also imagine it'd be a pretty incredible spot for sunset and also to see the lights of Canberra at night time. When we were there was also a little van where you could purchase snacks and beverages. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more.